Right, this is a different video for Teslas for this time. So what we have here is my Tesla. So we'll go to here and we'll go into service menu. Service. So you hold, what you do is you hold the model range here, hold it for a couple of seconds, as you've seen, and service, make sure you spell it right. Comes up this menu here, just to say if you want to enter it, blah blah blah, you can cause injury, blah blah blah, so we're fine for that. So you've got here, once it loads, by the way my Tesla's not that colour, gives you details, so you can go to service alerts. So this is all the alerts I've got. These are current alerts and these are previous alerts, so that there I'm not too worried about because I'm getting them sorted out. That's just flat tyres and stuff like that. So this is the one for my brake fluid. So you can see from there what we've got. So it's just came up, so we'll show you how to change or check the brake fluid level. So meant to say is, well, open the front. There we go. So here we are. So the oil reservoir is, sorry, the brake fluid reservoir is in here, so we can pop this up in there, move it along, and set this to the side. So this is it. There's a wee small battery, the windscreen wash, and then I've got here .3 brake fluid, which is actually not bad, as you can see. So I dare say it's been because it's sitting on a hill, but we'll top up a wee bit. So here is my bottle of DOT4 brake fluid that I've probably got for Halfords, so we'll be using this. This. So let's. Yeah, that was. F6. Right, so. Go on, eh? Right, so check Bluetooth functionality, that's it, so that should clear. In fact, these are all historic ones, so we'll be able to get them cleared. So we should be alright. What's it with the weather? It's just want to rain all the time. Right, let's see, so brake fluid goes into here. Come on, there we go. Just needing topped up a wee bit. So that should be us. And I don't know, the code wasn't there anyway, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, that was good. I forgot to put the cover back on. Right, as soon as we're here, we're as well checking this anyway. Right. So to come out of this, you push the spanner and you click and hold. Service mode. Ta-da! That is us back. And that is it there. So what we'll do is open the front so I can put that cover back in, so that's it. Right, get this bad boy. So there we and voila. And that is how we do brake fluid checks in a Tesla.